Introducing the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Check out this handy Ford Bronco Sport, the modern-minded vehicle that's at home in town or off-road. Compact and capable, it has the features you need to make every adventure a success. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, keyless start. Explore your world with confidence in this capable Bronco Sport. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.